What's up? Final day for me here in this training program. Today I want to talk about the LEAD program. This is huge. This also goes back to I've got nobody, left to talk to. Um, Over the past 4 years, Beachbody has given to me through the LEAD program. Once I qualified, becoming a number coach, um, over 500 customers. So that gave me an additional 500 people to reach out to and talk to, and it's a warm market. They're obviously people that have either purchased a program or signed up for Team Beachbody to get some nutritional information or whatever. So by sharing support, nutrition, and the right fitness program with these people, many of them I've been able to help get right on the right track, help them get healthy, eat healthy, um, and progress on their journey. And that's what it's all about. That's what this whole thing is all about, helping people live healthier, fulfilling lives, and achieving their goals. In that process, you're going to do pretty well yourself, and you're on your own journey. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be a fitness expert. Just be real. Be who you are. Be there to help them, and don't forget your job is that. Just what I said, to help them. So when they contact you and ask you, "Hey, how do I join the Beachbody Challenge?" walk them through the process. Learn how to do it. Master your job. Do your job with mastery. That's it. It's that simple. So, if you've got 10 minutes below, there's a couple of quick lead lessons. One is what are the Beachbody lead programs. So, there's a couple of them that you can check out. I believe there's three altogether. And then lesson number two is how do you qualify for them? Great stuff. Beachbody gives back to the people, Beachbody gives to their coaches. Um, Great stuff. I mean, you just can't beat this. There is no other company that does this for you. So learn about them, live them, and love them. That's it. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of this training. If you need anything at all, feel free to reach out to me, friend me on Facebook, whatever. I'm here, your upline sponsor, your upline star diamond. We all want to see you succeed. We all want to see your customers succeed. So that's what this whole training is all about. Do your best, do it with mastery.